The latest revolution in snow clearing technology meets the cutting edge of cordless innovation with the SNOJO 48-volt 18-inch cordless snowblower. Powered by SNOJO's exclusive ION Plus 24-volt lithium-ion battery system, the two included 4-amp-hour batteries provide up to 30 minutes of rechargeable runtime with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. Cut the cord with ION Plus cordless convenience to blast past the limits of an extension cord and go anywhere powers at a premium. Equipped with the heavy-duty rubber-tipped steel blade auger, SNOJO clears an 18-inch wide by 10-inch deep path in a single pass. The powerful 1200-watt brushless motor plows through up to 10.5 tons of snow per charge, up to 700 pounds per minute, while the integrated scraper bar at the base of the unit clears straight to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. Put the powder precisely where you want it. SNOJO's adjustable chute control rotates 180 degrees to throw snow up to 20 feet away in any direction. And after dark, the integrated 2-watt LED light lights the way for safer nighttime clearing. And when there's more work to be done, boost your battery power with even more ION Plus battery options available online. Or get equipped with a second set of ION Plus batteries to keep throwing when it won't stop snowing. So when it comes to snow, go with Joe. 24V X2 SB18 48-volt 18-inch cordless snowblower from SNOJO. Get equipped.
Introducing the new Ego Power Plus Snowblower. With peak power technology and a push start, it starts the first time, every time. Featuring an innovative remote chute adjustment and a powerful 35-foot throwing distance, it's the first true alternative to gas. And the quick fold handle provides for easy storage and transport. Experience power beyond belief with the new Ego Power Plus Snowblower.
The Earthwise 18-inch cordless snow thrower is a great solution to moving snow quickly. The brushless 40-volt motor and included battery is strong enough to handle any snow job around the house. Just slide in the 40-volt 4-amp-hour battery and the snow thrower will start with just the push of a button. 6-inch wheels help you glide along curves and straightaways, and a simple turn of the handle allows you to pivot the discharge chute without stopping. Time of day doesn't stop this thrower. The Earthwise 18-inch snow thrower features 2 bright LED headlights, allowing you to clear snow during the night and early mornings. It clears a path 18 inches wide in snow a foot deep, so you can make short work of wide driveways, sidewalks, and patios. For a quiet, convenient, and quick snow clearing solution, the Earthwise 18-inch 40-volt snow thrower is up to the task.
Greenworks Pro is the ultimate battery-powered outdoor equipment. The powerful 80-volt lithium-ion battery and revolutionary brushless motor technology provides true gas performance. The 80-volt 20-inch cordless snow thrower quickly and effectively clears driveways, sidewalks, and patios. The ultimate performance 80-volt battery gives 45 minutes of continuous runtime, while the rapid charger gets the battery back to full power fast. With a 20-inch clearing width and 10-inch clearing depth, move large amounts of snow conveniently that has fallen up to 10 inches deep. With the chute rotation handle, conveniently adjust the 180-degree rotating chute to discharge snow over 20 feet away. Work well into the night thanks to the built-in dual LED lights. The 7-inch rear wheels makes it convenient to maneuver over multiple snowy surfaces. Easily store the tool after use thanks to the convenient folding handles. No cords, no gas, no oil, no maintenance. Greenworks, life gets easier.
SNOJO takes the world by storm with the world's first eco-friendly fully hybrid snowblower, the ION 18SB HYB, the revolutionary rechargeable that combines the convenience of a battery pack with the performance of a plug for limitless snow shredding power. Declare your independence from the grid and gain the freedom of choice to go offline. SNOJO's exclusive hybrid technology allows you to switch from electric power when you need it to unplugged when you don't, to blast past the limits of the extension cord and go where no electric has gone before. ION starts quickly with the press of a button. Simply select outside for electric or inside for battery mode. Grasp the lever and go. ION includes a 40-volt battery to deliver up to 50 minutes of whisper quiet runtime with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. Equipped with powerful 13.5 amp hybrid motor and a heavy-duty 2-blade rubber auger, Ion plows through up to 500 pounds of snow per minute, clearing a path 18 inches wide by 8 inches deep. Ion features a 180-degree adjustable chute to direct the snow stream up to 20 feet away, an onboard 3-watt LED headlight for added nighttime visibility, and an integrated scraper bar to clear the ground without damaging your deck or pavement. When winter strikes, ditch the gas and go with Joe. The Ion 18SB HYB Hybrid, the revolutionary new rechargeable and electric snowblower from Snow Joe. Get equipped.